People with high levels of sensory processing sensitivity are more sensitive to stimuli. This is a biologically conditioned feature encoded in the brain, characteristic of about 20% of the society. Such persons tend to more intensely experience both external stimuli and inner feelings, including the negative ones, which can lead to the sense of discomfort and being overwhelmed. When a situation is perceived as threatening, the brain initiates a complex and immediate reaction readying the body for the fight or flight response. This is accompanied by a release of cortisol by the adrenal cortex. Known as the stress hormone, cortisol activates energy reserves in the body. When such a situation repeats chronically, the constant state of alert brings about a number of negative effects. When in need of a dental treatment, the highly sensitive persons may more strongly react to many potentially stressful stimuli, such as a new, unknown place, the sight of medical equipment, the sound of a dental burr, or the smell of disinfectants can increase the feeling of discomfort. In order to check whether a standard visit to the dentist is linked to a greater stress in highly sensitive people, the Jagiellonian University scientists have measured the level of cortisol in their bodies before the planned visit. Cortisol accumulates in hair, which is why measuring the amount of the hormone in this kind of sample makes it possible to determine its levels during recent months, pointing to the person's tendency to react with stress. On the other hand, cortisol content in saliva is the indicator of the present level of stress. The research has shown that highly sensitive people had increased levels of cortisol both in hair and saliva, which means that they felt greater stress when visiting the dentist. In addition, questionnaire surveys conducted during the visits to the dentist have shown that such patients experience greater discomfort even during low-invasive dental treatment. In the future, these results will enable researchers to find effective solutions aimed at reducing anxiety and supporting highly sensitive people in making decisions related to their own health.